Hi, my name is Jamala. I'm junior lecturer at Indus University, Karachi, Sindh, Pakistan. Today's my lecture, NAND and NOR gate. I'm going to tell you about the NAND and NOR gate Boolean expressions, sample, IC configuration, to table of NAND and NOR gate. To investigate the behavior of NOR gate using the IC and transistor, to investigate the behavior of NAND gate using IC and transistor. Some theory about NAND and NOR gate. The NAND and NOR gate are nothing more than the inverted AND and OR gates, respectively. That is important, but not the most important thing. The fact that NAND and NOR can be used to create all other gates is important because this fact has made them more popular in use than the others. Some requirements stand for double IC for NAND gate, stand for 02 for NOR gate. LED and power supply. This one is symbol of NAND gate and this one is symbol of NOR gate. This one internal circuit of NAND gate and NOR gate. This one internal symbol of NAND gate using the transistor and this one internal symbol of NOR gate using the transistor. This one IC configuration for NAND gate stands for LS00. Gate is IC configuration of NAND gate, and this one IC configuration for NOR gate. 4 NOR gate is used in IC configuration, and 4 NAND gate is used in starting from 14 pins, 1, 2, 14. 7 number pin grounded connected, and 14 number pin VCC connected. 7 number ground and 14 number VCC. And also NOR gate, 7 number pin connected with ground and 14 number pin connected with the VCC. This one the truth table of NOR gate, and this one the Boolean expression of NOR gate. Q is equals to A plus B whole bar. So if A plus B, 0 plus 0, just 0, whole bar, just equals to 1. So 0 plus 1, 1, whole bar means 1 bar equals to 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, whole bar means 1 bar is equals to 0. 1 plus 1 equals to 1, but whole bar, so that's why 0. So according to this Boolean expression, the truth table is this. This one Boolean expression for NAND gate. A multiplied by B whole bar. Q is equals to A multiplied by B whole bar. So 0 plus 0, here is 0 and then 0. 0 multiplied by 0 is 0, bar is 1. 0 dot 1 equals to 0, bar 1. 1 dot 0 is 0, whole bar just equals to 1. 1 dot 1, 1, whole bar, so this one 0. I'm also gonna show you the simulink of NAND and NOR gates. This one simulink of a NAND gate using the NAND gate and 2 switches, 1 VCC and 1 ground and indicators. Done. One, both are connected with the ground, means 0, 0, then output will be 1. When A is connected with 1 and B is connected with 0, then output will be 1. When A is connected 1 and B is connected with 1, then output will be 0. When A is connected with 0 or B is connected with 1, then output will be 0. 1. According to NAND truth table. I was also gonna show you the Simulink of NOR gate. This one NOR gate and this one the two switches, one VCC, one ground and one indicator. Both connected with 0, then output will be 1. If A connected with 1 and B is connected with 0, then output will be 0. If A connected with 0, B is connected with 1, then output will be 0. If A connected with 1 and B is connected with 1, then output will be 1. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this topic, please write comment, subscribe my channel, like, and comment. Again, thanks for watching.